Hi everyone, welcome back to Info with Prithvi. Here, as you know, we are starting an art segment where we get off track of learning and stuff. Well, we go to art and other interesting stuff like tech review and stuff. Well, today we are gonna be following a Bob Ross tutorial painting technique. I have this detail brush, and then I have another small detail brush. Well, let's get started with the Bob Ross. Right, he's going with blue. Woohoo! I'll open the blue. I just tried to do the Bob Ross painting, but then they have this fear they would say that they would mess it up, so I don't know. I just got rid of. Okay, blue. I have the blue. I'll go get some water. In Bob Ross painting you use oil, so it's better. But we use acrylic, so. Well, guys, I just realized something. It's that, Bob Ross uses these 2-inch brush, and I said down from up to the horizon. So this should be dark, and coming down it should be light. For that, you may add a little bit of white. His mistake. Only you are gonna know the mistake. So, where are these? This is like Pac-Man's in the middle. Okay. Please comment down below if I'm doing it correct. Or you might see, I'll tell you the name of the painting he's doing. I don't know. I think, yeah, it is the Joy of Painting session. Well, this is a great one that you can use here for the brush he uses. But the truth here is that if you do this stuff, you're better. Well, I just realized that. He says the horizon thing. So here we have to have a little bit of water. I'll go get some water. Meanwhile, I'll put the blue. He gets his paints for the mountains all over here. I think this is the mark. I'll get a pencil and mark that. Maybe I don't have a pencil, so I'll just. He uses his painting half of the page here. We're gonna use it right here. Until here, we're gonna paint. I'll show you the middle. I just used water, and then I painted the thing. But turns out, here what I'm doing is I'm filling the whole page. And to sum it up, anyways, we're gonna put these trees, mountains, and then this water is gonna be covered up. So why not we cover it in the first itself. So now we're on the mountain part. Here's a little time lapse you might see. The mountain, what I did was I did a great mountain, and then what I did was, the mountain was, kind of little, which didn't, mix look like that. So, which was not covered with a lot of blue. So what I did was I made the mountain big, and then I added 2 mountains. And then for the shadow, he uses blue, but I used orange for, just to show how you can do with just orange. Like, yeah, even that worked out very well. It had a feeling like that's a cold mountain, and then the white one was more like soft and smooth. And then now we're doing the mist that the Bob Ross talked about. And yeah, here's the mist. So what I did was I added a little bit of white. So, and then since I used poster paint on the top, it didn't dry very quick, so I added with that and then blended, and then I just dabbed the brush a little bit. And then what I did was that I got, I made it like flat, and then I made it good. And then now you're seeing the video of me, finishing up the mountain. Here I already added the black for the trees. Here I did 3 trees in the left and then 1 in the right. And then after I just did 4 strokes with the black, I took yellow and I mixed it with green, which makes like a lime color. And then I did a little bit of stabbing in the trees. So this is what I did. So here we have like a limeish color. And then here, this is the process of me doing the trees. And then, yeah, as I told you, I stabbed the brush a little bit, and then I got some green, the dark greenish kind of color. But then what I did was I added more of the yellow, and then I added a little bit of yellow and green, and then light green, and then everything here and there to make it as the tree that you'll see in the final product of this painting. And here, why, we're gonna be starting, like, as I told you, we're gonna be doing some new art, paint videos. On summer, I'm gonna be trying my own from my imagination, and summer I'm gonna be following tutorials of other painters, like Bob Ross, like this one, and then like more like other painters, to show you guys how, is it suitable for you guys to do testing by me. So that's here. I tried to add the snow, but then I blended more like a misty kind of area. My Bob Ross painting was way better than mine, since I'm just a beginner. I'm just showing you guys what I tried, and this is how the product looks. And here is another close-up shot, and yeah. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be making more of this painting and a lot of contents that most people like. Thank you. Bye.